In the ancient kingdom of Hastinpura, there lived a young prince named Arjun, renowned for his bravery and skill in archery. The kingdom was at peace, but a dark cloud loomed over its prosperity. A powerful demon named Ravana sought to plunge the world into chaos by stealing the enchanted bow of Lord Shiva, which was believed to hold immense power. One night, Arjun had a dream where Lord Krishna appeared before him. Arjun, Krishna said, Ravana has stolen the enchanted bow of Lord Shiva and threatens to use it for destruction. You must retrieve it to restore balance and peace to our world. Arjun bowed his head. I will do as you command, Lord Krishna. Where should I begin my quest? Krishna handed Arjuna a mystical map. This map will guide you to the four sacred relics you need: the feather of valor, the pearl of purity, the jewel of wisdom, and the shield of fortitude. Only with these relics can you defeat Ravana and reclaim the bow. Arjun's journey began in the dense forests of Vindhya, where he sought the feather of valor, guarded by Garuda, the king of birds. Garuda tested Arjun's courage by asking him to face a giant serpent. With unwavering bravery, Arjun fought and subdued the serpent, earning Garuda's respect and the feather of valor. Next, Arjun traveled to the serene shores of the river Ganga to seek the pearl of purity, guarded by the river goddess Ganga herself. She challenged Arjun to cleanse his soul of all impurities. Arjun meditated deeply, reflecting on his actions and seeking forgiveness for past wrongs. His sincere repentance moved Ganga, and she granted him the pearl of purity. Arjun then ventured to the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, where he sought the jewel of wisdom, guarded by a wise sage. The sage posed a riddle about the nature of true wisdom. Arjun pondered deeply and answered, True wisdom lies not in knowledge alone but in understanding and compassion. The sage smiled and handed him the jewel of wisdom. Finally, Arjun journeyed to the fiery deserts of Rajasthan to find the shield of fortitude, protected by a fierce warrior spirit. The spirit challenged Arjun to a battle of endurance. Arjun, drawing strength from his inner fortitude, endured the harsh trials of the desert and proved his resilience. The spirit awarded him the shield of fortitude. With all four relics, Arjun arrived at Ravana's fortress, a dark and foreboding place. Using the feather of valor, he approached without fear. The pearl of purity protected him from Ravana's dark magic. The jewel of wisdom guided his strategy in the battle, and the shield of fortitude defended him from Ravana's fierce attacks. The kingdom celebrated Arjun's victory with grand festivities. Songs and dances filled the air, and Arjun was hailed as a hero not just for his strength but for his wisdom and purity of heart. The enchanted bow was placed in the temple of Lord Shiva, where it remained a symbol of protection and divine power. Under Arjun's guardianship, Hastinpura thrived, and the tale of his courageous quest became a legend, inspiring generations to come. The enchanted bow served as a reminder that true strength comes from a pure heart, wise mind, and unwavering courage.